Hello dear decorators! Today we're diving into the exciting world of indoor wall decoration. Trust me, giving your walls a makeover can totally transform the vibe of your space. So buckle up as we explore some cool ideas, materials, colors, and the overall advantages of spicing up those indoor walls. Let's kick things off with the why. Why bother decorating your walls? Well, my friends, it's all about creating an atmosphere that resonates with you. Think of your walls as a canvas waiting to tell your story. It's an expression of your personality, interests, and style. Plus, it's an easy way to breathe new life into a room without breaking the bank or going through a major overhaul. Now, let's talk materials. The options are endless, but let's highlight a few game changers. First up, paint. It's the OG of wall decor, and for good reason. Painting your walls can instantly refresh a room. Go bold with vibrant hues or keep it calm with soothing neutrals. The choice is yours. Pro tip: if you're feeling adventurous, consider an accent wall for that extra pop of personality. Next, we've got wallpaper. Now, I know what you're thinking, old school, right? Wrong. Wallpaper is making a stylish comeback. From funky patterns to elegant textures, there's a wallpaper for every taste. It's a fantastic way to add drama or subtle sophistication to your space. And let's not forget about good old-fashioned wall art. Whether it's framed prints, canvases, or even a DIY gallery wall, art brings a unique touch to your walls. It's like telling your story without saying a word. You can go for a cohesive theme or mix it up for an eclectic vibe. Now, for the texture lovers out there, consider adding some dimension with wall panels or molding. It's a classic yet effective way to break up a monotonous wall surface. You can play with different shapes and designs to create a custom look that suits your style. Alright, let's talk about murals. Murals are like giant, immersive pieces of art that can completely transform a space. They're a fantastic option if you're looking to make a bold statement. Think landscapes, abstract designs, or even your favorite city skyline. The possibilities are endless, and it's a surefire way to make your walls the focal point of the room. Now let's discuss the power of mirrors. Mirrors not only add a touch of glam to your space but also create an illusion of depth, making your room feel bigger and brighter. Consider a statement mirror or gallery of smaller mirrors for a chic and reflective wall upgrade. And if you're all about functionality, why not go for a corkboard or magnetic wall? Perfect for the home office or kitchen, these functional walls serve double duty, keeping you organized while looking stylish. Okay, let's chat about colors. Choosing the right color for your walls is crucial. Lighter shades like whites, creams, and pastels can make a room feel more open and airy. On the flip side, darker colors like navy, deep greens, or charcoal can add drama and coziness. Don't be afraid to experiment, and remember, it's just paint. You can always change it. Now, if you're feeling bold, consider a two-tone or ombre effect. This involves using two or more colors on the same wall, creating a visually striking look. It adds depth and character without overwhelming the space. When it comes to wallpaper, patterns and colors are your playground. From floral prints to geometric shapes, you can find a wallpaper that suits your taste and complements your existing decor. Just be mindful of the scale of the pattern. Too big might be overwhelming, while too small might get lost in the background. For wall art, consider the overall color palette of the room. If your furniture and decor are neutral, you can go for a bold and colorful piece to make it pop. On the other hand, if your space is already vibrant, a more subdued piece might balance things out. Now, a quick note on balance and harmony. While it's awesome to express your individual style, try to maintain a cohesive look throughout your space. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, but there should be a flow that ties it all together. Think about the overall mood you want to create and let that guide your color and decor choices. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the advantages of giving your walls some love. First off, it's an instant mood booster. Walking into a room that reflects your style and personality can elevate your spirits and make you feel more at home. It's also a cost-effective way to update your space. You don't need to break the bank to make a big impact. A can of paint, a roll of wallpaper, or a few pieces of wall art can go a long way in transforming a room. It's a fun and creative process. Experimenting with colors, patterns, and textures allows you to unleash your inner artist. It's your space, so don't be afraid to get a little daring and have some fun with it. Lighting can make or break your wall decor game. Consider how natural and artificial light plays with your chosen colors and materials. A well-lit room can enhance the beauty of your walls, so think about strategically placing lights or even using wall sconces to highlight specific features. Don't underestimate the power of DIY. Creating your own wall decor can be incredibly rewarding. From hand-painted canvases to homemade wall hangings, there's something special about adding a personal touch to your space. Plus, it's a budget-friendly option that allows you to unleash your creativity. Now, let's talk about wall decals. These are like temporary tattoos for your walls. They add a burst of personality without the commitment. Perfect for renters or anyone who likes to switch things up regularly. They come in various designs and can be easily removed without damaging your walls. And here's a pro tip: consider incorporating some greenery. Whether it's a vertical garden, hanging planters, or a few potted plants, bringing nature indoors adds life and freshness to your space. Plus, it complements any wall decor style you choose. Remember, it's all about balance. If you're going bold with your walls, keep the furniture and accessories more neutral, and vice versa. You want each element to shine without competing for attention. Now, for those of you in smaller spaces, mirrors can be your secret weapon. They reflect light, creating the illusion of a larger room. Consider placing a large mirror strategically to maximize this effect. Ever thought about incorporating textiles into your wall decor? Fabric wall hangings, tapestries, or even a well-placed rug can add warmth and texture to your space. They're particularly great for creating a cozy atmosphere in bedrooms or living areas. Experiment with different fabrics and patterns to find what resonates with your style. Another game changer is the use of shelving. Floating shelves not only provide a practical storage solution, but also serve as a perfect platform to display your favorite decorative items. Mix and match books, plants, and art pieces for an eclectic and visually appealing setup. Consider going beyond traditional frames when displaying your art. Grid galleries, asymmetrical arrangements, or even leaning artwork against the wall can add a contemporary and relaxed vibe. This technique is excellent for those who like a bit of organized chaos in their decor. Let's talk about murals in more detail. If you're feeling particularly artistic or want to work with a local artist, a custom mural can be a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. It could be a scene from your favorite travel destination, a nature-inspired mural, or even a mural that tells your personal story. It's a bold statement that truly makes the walls an extension of yourself. For those who love the industrial aesthetic, exposed brick walls are a fantastic way to add character. However, if you don't have this feature naturally, faux brick panels or wallpapers can create the same effect. Pair it with minimalist decor for that perfect urban chic look. And lastly, let's talk about accentuating architectural features. If you're lucky enough to have unique architectural elements like exposed brick, wainscoting, or fireplace, use them to your advantage. These features can become the focal point of your wall decor, enhancing the overall charm of the space. So there you have it, my friends, a crash course in wall decoration. Whether you're a paint enthusiast, a wallpaper aficionado, or an art connoisseur, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. So go ahead, express yourself, and turn those walls into a canvas that tells your unique story. The key to successful wall decoration is to have fun, experiment, and let your personality shine. Your walls are a canvas waiting for your creative brush strokes, so don't hold back. Whether you're into bold colors, subtle textures, or a mix of everything, there's a wall decor style that's uniquely you. I hope this journey through the world of wall decoration has inspired you to take the plunge and transform your space into a reflection of your awesome self. Remember, it's not just about what's on the walls, it's about how it makes you feel when you walk into the room. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy decorating!